What's up, everybody? It's me. I'm at a gas station drinking some chocolate milk, chilling like the villain that I am. And I'll remind everybody that about 70 minutes from now, me, the Great YR, and Archnoise Bean will be live. Our music show is coming back tonight. It'll be the only one for this week because tomorrow I'm scheduled to go back to work. And tonight we're going to be doing a special edition looking at Van Halen. We take a look at 2 years since Eddie Van Halen's passing. We're going to be taking a look at the album Van Halen 3 and why that album tanked like it did. We're going to be taking a look at all the controversies between Eddie and Dave, Dave and Sammy, Sammy and Eddie. And a special look at how Michael Anthony got screwed over like he did when he got back together with David Lee Roth. They'll be at 7 p.m. Eastern Time on my channel, YR's channel, and Archnoise channel. Best thing to do is have all tabs open with all our channels going at the same time. If you do this, let me know how that sounds, okay? In the meantime, any comments, questions, concerns, ideas, suggestions, definitely put them down below. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and notification bell. And I'll see you guys later on. Bye bye.